excited for Japan?
Maybe.
Maybe, maybe? Okay, alright, let's go. Alright, we're at the airport and Jenner's here with with all of our luggage, 5 bags, and oh, my hair is a hot mess. And we are so early that we are standing to check our baggage in, and they're not ready for us. But are you excited for Japan, Jenner?
Yeah.
Yeah, you excited for Japan?
Maybe.
Maybe, maybe? Okay, alright, let's go. We're trying to check in, and then we're gonna try to find some food and see how everything goes. We'll see what this room looks like. It's nice. It's nice. Dude, I want to see the back room. That's what I care about. Okay, what do you think? I'm gonna put this on the vlog. Jenner's like, I can't afford this wood. Hey, Jenner, cheese. Oh, and my cheese with this in. Okay, I got this thing where I should drink it like this first. It's a hot beverage. And then I add cinnamon and butter to taste. So we'll see what that tastes like. It's nice.
It's nice.
There has just been an earthquake. Be careful of fire and falling objects.
And we're alive, and it's very close to us. Yep, that was exciting. And you know, we're on the 50th floor, so that was cool. I don't know if it's better that you're on a really tall floor or you're on a really low floor for an earthquake. Maybe we should look that up before we continue our trip in Tokyo. Okay. Alright, we're gonna try to find a taxi to go to Tokyo Station. What are we gonna do first? We're gonna do JR Pass. Get all our reservations in JR Pass. Then we're gonna explore Tokyo Station, see what's up there.
And then we have to go.
Owl Cafe. At what time?
4.
And we're gonna try to take public transportation there and not be a noob and take another taxi. So because we're smart, able people that can read a map.
Maybe.
Maybe. Alright, let's see how it goes. Is that Tokyo Station?
イーストは向こうですけど、
Okay.
イースト、メイン、ウエストイースト。
East. Oh, but we went north.
No, I think. Where's?
Despite the fact that the taxi driver told us it's the east gate, he did deliver us to the north gate. Let's go. Tokyo Station. Here we go. Nailed it. Found it. Okay, how long did it take us?
I don't know.
I think it took us
Like an hour.
an hour.
It took an hour.
It took us an hour, but we have like a gajillion tickets, and now we're gonna explore Tokyo Station, and it is really nice. Where are the shops? Where are the shops? All right, we found the shops. It's actually all these underground cute shops. Jenna wants noodles, so we are actually waiting on our first food line. We look at our food. I have no idea what I ordered, but it looks delicious. I think. Jenna, what did you order?
Some curry.
Excited to eat. Excited to eat. Okay, it took us like 5 minutes to find the bathroom in the train station, and like maybe 5 minutes to find the entrance to the subway station, only to find out that we were 30 seconds away the entire time anyway. And now we're lost once again. Hopeless. It's our first time taking the subway, and we have honestly no idea where we're going. So it's great. Wish us luck. Owls, here we come. We don't know where we're going, but we're following people, hopefully to the exit. If not, we're going somewhere else. Exit.
I always tell myself I'm doing fine. I don't need help, just need a little time. And I've been so patient, quietly waiting for someone my type to come over.
Alright, we found a gem. Let me zoom in a little bit. Can we see that? It says B1's fetish. I can't speak English. A whole store filled with adult goods. A maid cafe. I think it's a maid cafe. Should we go?
We want to go to Make. We just finished.
Okay. Not hungry. So cool. I am in Japan. Now we're not really sure where we are. Ooh.
Want to go in?
Let's go in this way, and this one sounds fun.
There's a cute ass dog over there.
Oh, cute ass dog over there. Let's go in. See what this is all about. Ah. Ah. If I had talent, I would try. He's so active. anything tasty there? Whipped cream. Don't make me. Don't laugh, your shit was shaking. Calm down, what is it? It's one of the babies is not happy. No, I thought it's whipped cream. It's not whipped cream. I shall remain calm. Despite having a cute owl here and my shoulders freezing up completely. I will remain calm. Oh, he's going. He's going, he's going. He's going.
Yeah. I think he might be calm.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, it's okay. Oh, he made a sound. He's on the clip. He's on the clip. Turn your head a little bit. Turn. Oh, he's flapping his wings like crazy. He's on your head. He's on your head. Shh. Tasty. 진짜 잘생긴 봐봐. Oh my god, he's being so cute right now.
Shall I compare to a summer day? She's the sun, she feel like the gray. Quench my thirst.